We're going to repair a hole on this tire. I'll show you some tools that work, and I'll show you some tools that work better. Soapy water can help you find the hole. Not too much air in this tire, but you're going to see bubbles just come up where the soapy water. A pair of pliers is really handy to help get the piece of metal out. So you just grab it and pull it out. To get the plug in, you're going to need to ream out that hole. Use a ream like this. You put it in and just move it back and forth. This is a lot of work. I'll show you an easier tool. In this case, I removed the handle and chucked it up into a drill. Push the ream in. If you've ever done it the other way, you can see this method is a lot easier. There's a couple tools that let you put this plug in. This looks like an eye of a needle without a slit at the top. Here's another style that's got a slit in the top, and these don't work for me. The idea is that you push the plug all the way in, pull it back out, and then snip off the rest. The one with this little slit is supposed to go in, and when you pull it back out, it's supposed to pop out automatically, but typically it doesn't allow me to pull the plug all the way through, so I end up having to use one without a slit in it. I find these plugs work really good if you put rubber cement on. This allows the plug to go in a little easier and then also seals better. We'll push the plug all the way in. I push it all the way into the tire like this. Very slowly pull it back out. Oftentimes I'll shake it until I see the top. This is where this style usually fails on me, because as I'm pulling it up, it'll just drop that plug behind. I'm starting to see it come up. I don't want to yank it too hard and pull the whole thing out again. When I'm able to bend over the tool, I know that the entire tool is out. Use the side cutters to cut the plug off. Now we've got the plug in. Pump it up with water and spray it with soap. Fill the tire up with air and make sure it's holding pressure. A plug like this is considered temporary, but it'll get you to your next destination.